Good day everyone. I would like to share to you causes of a bad breath and how to treat it. But before I go further, I would like you to subscribe on our YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the notification button. Thank you. Halitosis is an oral health problem where the main symptoms is bad smelling breath, and in most cases, finding the causes of bad breath is the first step towards treating this preventable condition. And halitosis can also be a condition that a good mouthbrush can't solve at a time. Basically, halitosis can also be caused due to the breaking down of food, particles, saliva, blood or cells by bacteria. And most of the cases are caused by poor oral hygiene. And I have come to realize that about 1 in 5 people in general population suffer from it, and many people who think they have it actually do not. Some people suffer from Halitephobia, physical and psychological. These people have the delusion that they suffer from bad breath when it is not actually present. They get obsessed with cleaning their mouths repeatedly with mouthwashes and keep using chewing gum and meat. And they also try to keep their distance from others and avoid social interaction. These people may require psychological support. In order to get rid of bad breath, the first thing you need to know is why is it happening. And here are basically 5 common causes of bad breath which I will mention to you. One is drinking and eating certain food. Food like coffee, garlic and onions are notorious for creating bad breath. Actually, we love them for their taste, but then that taste can linger once it is absorbed into the bloodstream. Not only is the smell expelled through the breath, but that odor can remain until the body processes the food. Secondly is plaque buildup. When you don't brush properly or often enough, bacteria can form in your mouth, and it is one of the primary causes of bad breath. These bacteria feed on food particles left behind on the teeth and gum and produce waste product that releases foul odor. And if you have braces, you should take extra care to remove food particles from your mouth to avoid bad breath. Thirdly is infrequent flossing. When you don't floss, small particles of food can get stuck in between your teeth and around your gums, and these are tricky places where toothbrush can't quite reach. When food particles are left behind, they start to collect bacteria, which in turn causes bad breath and plaque. And the next is tongue bacteria. Bacteria growth on the tongue account for 80 to 90% of all cases of mouth-related bad breath. Poor oral hygiene results in plaque bacteria being left behind on your teeth and gums. These bacteria produce foul-smelling waste products that can cause bad breath. And lastly is infection. If you have an infection in your mouth from a wound or an abscess, for example, it is an easy way to get bacteria build up. If you are having an oral surgery, having your wisdom teeth pulled up, for example, be sure to keep an eye for infection. A medical professional can prescribe an antibiotic for you to help minimize the infection. And if you're looking for a quick bad breath remedy, but before I go further, I would like to remind you of our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification button. Thank you. And these are some of the simple steps that can help with bad breath, which are raw fruits and vegetable. Biting into a crystal apple is a great way to freshen your breath before you can get to brushing, which can help freshen your breath. Secondly is sugar-free gum. Do you know that it does more than refreshing your mouth with flavor? It also helps to remove food particles and increases your saliva production, which can help refreshing your breath. Thirdly is drinking more water. Do you know a dry mouth can quickly lead to bad breath and is often the cockpit of morning breath? Make sure you stay hydrated and keep a glass of water beside your nightstand for a quick reach when you need to wake up. And lastly is the use of mouthwashes. Swishing is all what it takes. Adding mouthwashes to your daily routine is easy. And also remember to follow all instructions. And I would like you to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification button. Thank you.